here?
The
You have cat construction mini machine. That is cute.
the box.
Yeah, let's see the back of the box. Okay, so these are what's included is excavator.
The open.
Yeah, bulldozer. It's a wheel loader and dump truck and a backhoe. Okay, so we're gonna open. Okay, Kyle. You're gonna open it? You need help, baby?
Okay, open Open my piece. Open.
Okay.
Oh.
You got it?
It is. Mine's a hole.
Okay.
Dad.
Okay.
Hole.
Okay. Just like this. Open. Look. There you go. See? Look at that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
8.
Oh, you have 8. And there's 8.
8.
Good
9.
job.
9. 10.
There's actually 8, baby, in the pile. You have 2 bulldozers, and you have 2 of this wheel loader. You have 2 dump trucks. You have yes, you have 2 dump trucks. You have this excavator, and you have 1 backhoe. See, you have 8 all in the package.
Mine.
Right? You like it? We're gonna get some sand so you can play, okay?